Here's our Fortnite sign. I'm doing a Google search for the Fortnite Sign logo. We're gonna make the icon using the scroll saw and a few other tools. But before all that, we need to grab the pic, import it into Photoshop so we can resize and print a template. Cut this MDF board to the right size for our project. We're going to do a layered sign where the F for Fortnite is the top layer with 2 layers below it. This sign will make for great wall art in a gaming room or bedroom just the same. We're adding packing tape to hold our template in place for when we start cutting on the scroll saw. We're going to spray the letters F with 2 different spray paint colors, pink and blue. That will give us the purple-like gradient look. Hey, I hope you're enjoying the video. Let's take a hot minute to talk about the tool that I use to make the sign. It's called a scroll saw. Next to me, you'll see some of my past projects made with the scroll saw. You can find all those videos here on my channel. You can make so many cool things with this tool, and it's one of the safest tools to use. It takes up very little space, and it's just a fun tool to work with. I use other tools to make things too. In my last video, I made a wand. And the video before that, I made a really cool phoenix pendant. You can find scroll saw patterns free and low priced on makerpatterns.com to get you started. Also check out my store, link in the description, for items that I make and sell. So now we'll spray paint the backer board with pink and blue, doing the same procedure as before. We'll use the white spray paint for the middle section of the sign. Now we'll add glue to the layers. And we'll set our sign to dry. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed it. It came out pretty darn cool. Hope you dug the video. Subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Oh, and check out these other videos I think you'll find cool.